Assalamualaikum and good day everyone. Our group has developed a new academic registration system prototype to improve the current UiTM registration system. Today, I'll be giving a short demonstration of how a student can use this prototype to register for courses. To start, click Get Started button. First, we have the login page. Student and academic advisors can log in using their student ID or staff ID together with their password. Students also need to select their current academic session and semester before logging in. On this page, we also have included a forgot password feature in case users forget their password, as well as remember me option for easier access the next time they use the system. Once everything is filled in, simply click Login. After logging in, the student will be taken to the dashboard. Here, the student name and program are displayed, together with all the available system features and a sidebar view menu for easy navigation. Since today's demonstration focuses on course registration, I will click on the course registration module. On this page, students can view the course code, course name, credit hours, available groups, lecturers, remaining seat, and the registration button. To view more information about a course, student can simply click on the course to open its details. Here, they can view the lecturer's name, class schedule, seat availability, prerequisites, available groups, and course description. Students can also register for the course directly from this page by clicking the Add to Registration. Students can choose whichever registration method they prefer. For this demonstration, I will register through the course registration page. To register for a course, students simply choose their preferred group, either Group A or Group B, and then scroll right to view the Register button to click Register. For this demonstration, I will continue registering the remaining required courses until the total credit hours are sufficient for the semester. I will register CAC 508 first. You can see the selected courses appear in the right hand panel. Then I will continue choosing the rest of the subject. After selecting all the courses, we can scroll down to review the selected courses and the total credit hours. Once everything is correct, click Proceed to Validation. Before the registration can be submitted, the system will perform a validation check. A pop-up will appear to show whether all registration requirements have been met. For example, whether the credit hour limit has been exceeded, completed prerequisite course, and whether there are any seats availability. In this example, CAC 690 cannot be registered because CAC 508 is a prerequisite course that has not yet been completed. Therefore, the system will not allow the student to submit the registration. To resolve this issue, the student needs to amend the registration by returning to the course registration page. The student can then select CAC 690 and click Drop Course. After making the amendment, the student can review the selected courses again and proceed with the validation process. Now the page shows that all requirements have been met. The student can now proceed to submit registration. After the registration is submitted successfully, it will be sent to the student academic advisor for approval. The advisor will review the selected courses to ensure that they are suitable for the current semester and there are no scheduling conflicts. If we return to the dashboard, we can see that the registration status is now pending. This allows students to easily track the progress of their course registration.
Now that we have explored the student's side of the academic registration process, I will continue our presentation by demonstrating how the system handles this request from the management side. I will walk you through the academic advisor module to show how the system updates information in real time to make the approval process faster and easier. We begin on the system's landing page, which features a deep purple background and the official logo of UiTM to match our university's identity. The screen displays the main title in caps lock and bold, Academic Registration System, along with the tagline, Register with ease, learn with confidence, to show that the system is user-friendly. To log into the platform, the user simply clicks on the white Get Started button located right in the center. This brings us to the secure login page, which displays the university logo and the text, Welcome back, please log in to your account. On this page, we see input boxes for the user ID and password. To log into the system, the academic advisor enters their official staff user ID into the first box. And types their secure password into the second box. The password field hides the character with small dots to protect account security, and it includes an eye icon that allows the user to turn password visibility on or off. Below these boxes, there is a drop-down selector where the user can choose the correct academic term, featuring options like current semester, intersession semester, or short semester. For this official process, we select current semester. At the bottom, there is a Remember Me checkbox to save login details for future access, and a Forgot Password link to help users reset their account access if needed. Once all official credentials are filled in, the advisor clicks the purple login button to submit the form and access their dashboard. Upon successful login, the advisor is brought directly to the main advisor dashboard, which displays a personalized greeting showing the name and title of the academic advisor. On the left side of the screen, there is a purple navigation menu that shows the advisor's name, their role, a link to the main dashboard, and a logout button. The top section of the dashboard features 3 data summary boxes. The left box displays pending approvals with a yellow clock icon. The middle box displays approved registrations with a green check mark icon, and the right box displays total advisees with a blue user icon. Below these summary boxes, a yellow status page highlights the number of actions required in the pending list, showing the student submission cards. Each card displays important student details, including the student's name, student ID number, academic program, current semester, total requested credits, the specific course codes chosen for registration, and the exact date and time the request was submitted. Each card also includes a red reject button and a green approve button for quick processing. When the advisor clicks the green approve button on a student's card, the system processes the request immediately. A green notification alert slides up in the bottom right corner of the screen stating registration approved successfully. At the same time, the dashboard data updates automatically in real time. The pending approvals box drops by 1. The approved registrations box increases by 1. And the action page updates to show fewer actions required. The approved student card is automatically removed from the screen so the advisor can focus only on remaining tasks. If the advisor clicks the red reject button on a student request, the system handles the rejection smoothly. A yellow warning notification replaces the previous alert in the bottom right corner stating registration rejected. With all applications now processed, the main workspace dynamically clears out the cards and displays a clean, empty state with a check mark icon that says all caught up, no pending registration to review at this time. The top data summary boxes adjust instantly to show 0 pending approvals and 0 actions required. This screen shows the resting state of the dashboard once the temporary notification banners disappear from the bottom right corner. The data boxes remain stable, showing 0 pending approvals, completed approved registrations, and the total number of advisees under care. This clean layout reduces visual clutter and provides the advisor with a clear overview showing that their administrative queue is completely clear and no work is left delayed. Finally, to safely close the system and protect user data, the advisor goes to the purple navigation menu on the left side of the screen. By clicking the logout button located right below the advisor's profile name, the system safely ends the session and returns the user back to the login page. In conclusion, our prototype successfully demonstrates how the UiTM academic registration system simplifies the registration workflow for both students and academic advisors. By replacing manual paperwork with real-time status updates, dynamic dashboards, and instant notifications, the system reduces administrative delays and improves data accuracy. That concludes our presentation. Thank you very much for your time.
Once the academic advisor approves the registration, the status will automatically change to approved. We can now proceed to the next step. Students can access other features either from the dashboard or the sidebar. For this demonstration, I will access them from the dashboard. On the timetable page, students can view their class schedule. They can also print the timetable if they would like a hard copy for easy reference. Next, students can access the fee assessment page to view their fees. The fee assessment include tuition, activity, and technology fees. After payment has been made, the payment status will change to paid, and the payment date will also be displayed. Students can print the payment receipt if they need it. Students also can access the registration slip, which displays their personal details, the list of registered courses, and the total credit hours for the semester. The registration slip can be downloaded as PDF or printed for future reference. Once the registration slip has been generated, the registration process is complete and the student is ready to begin the new semester. Overall, our proposed prototype provides a cleaner interface, easier navigation, and a more efficient registration experience compared to the current system that we believe it can help reduce confusion among students and minimize system congestion during the registration period. Finally, after completing the registration process, the student can log out securely by scrolling down and selecting log out. That concludes my demonstration of our academic registration system prototype. Thank you for your attention.
I just had to let you know you're